Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Easy. Let's look at another exam style question for A-level physics on electricity. The EMF of the cell is 24 volts and the internal resistance is 0. What is the reading on a voltmeter connected between the points A and B? Please pause the video and give it a try. When you are ready for the answer, you can press play. Now, let's see what the question says about connecting a voltmeter. A voltmeter is connected between points A and B. Now, when a voltmeter is connected like this, what it does is it basically shows the difference in potential between the points A and B. So if I can somehow work out the potential at each point, I just need to take the difference. Okay, well actually that's pretty easy because we know these are two parallel branches and there's no internal resistance. R is equal to 0, so it's not going to keep any potential difference across it. So the terminal potential difference is the same as 24 volts. So the potential difference across each branch is 24 volts. So this one here is 24 volts. Same with the other side. This one here is also 24 volts. Now, when it's 24 volts, we know the resistors split the voltage such that the voltage difference is proportional to the resistance. So, V is proportional to R. Okay, now that's very easy to figure out here because this one here is 1, this one here is 2. So, obviously, the voltage here, potential difference here should be 24 times 1 over the total is 1 and 2, 3. Oh, that's easy, that's 8. So I know this is 8 volts. If that's 8 volts, everything is 24 volts. So obviously that must be 16 volts. I can do the same thing to this side. Find the PD here. That will be 24 multiplied by 1 over the total is 1 and 3, 4. Oh, that's 6 volts. So when that's 6 volts, obviously this is going to be 18 volts. So I know the PD across this one is 8 volts. PD across this is 16 volts. PD across this bottom one is 6 volts on the right hand side, and this one is 18. 16 add 8 is 24. 18 add 6 is also 24. Now, I need to work out the potential at point A and the potential, the voltage at point B. Now, to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just imagine that I'm going to earth this side here. Now, when I earth it, the potential at all these points is basically 0, 0, 0. Now, the current goes like this and like that and comes down this route, like a part of it, and the other part will go down this route here. Now, obviously, current goes from high potential to lower potential, right? High voltage, low voltage. So, point A has a higher voltage than the bottom of this one, and that is 0, and I know the PD is 8, so obviously that must be plus 8 volts. How do I know? Because 8 take away 0 gives me 8. Similarly, this one is 0, the PD is 6, so that must be plus 6 volts, right? You don't need the next part for this question, but if you think about it, 8 add 16 is plus 24 volts, 6 add 18 is plus 24 volts, and that's plus 24 volts. See, everything works out. Now, the reading of the voltmeter is basically the difference between the 8 and 6. So the answer is 2 volts. The voltmeter will read 2 volts.